Alright guys, well, if you watched my update video on the Zippo Purell myth, you found out that the Purell did work, but after a while, it hardened the rayon balls. Well, I'm going to change them out with just normal 100% cotton balls. Now you just pull this stuff out. Make sure, if for some reason you have to do this, don't lose your flints and stuff. Alright, now there's one that came out, and it's just hard, and it's just complete garbage. So, set that off to the side. Now I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers. And, as you can see, I don't think you can really see that very well. Yeah, there it is. It's all green. Well, that's because it's corroding the brass that's in there. And it's around the pad too. See if we can get the focus. No, can't really see it. It's there and it's pretty bad. You can't really see it though. Start pulling these out. There's I can't see it again, but there is more of the corrosion on there. Alright, yeah, this is just all corroded, because there's also copper in your flints to help support it, and the copper in the flint is turning the flint, or not flint, the wick green. Let's keep on tearing this apart. Alright, pulled the flint out. Alright. Now this is about going to be the hardest one to get in there, because it's packed in there real tight. Alright. Now, see in the top of this Zippo, it's pretty well corroded in there. Let's see if you can see it right here. Yeah, you can see it. It's a little white and a little green right there. It's pretty well corroded. So what I'm going to do it off camera just because I can do it faster without looking through a camera. I'm just going to clean that all out. So hold on, just now you can see how I got all the corrosion out of there, nice and new. And now we got to put some 100% cotton balls. And it's kind of important that you use 100% cotton because it absorbs it the best. Unless you can find actual rayon balls. But now there's 6 rayon balls in a Zippo, and as you can see, these cotton balls compared to 1 rayon ball, it's pretty different, pretty big size difference. So you might not be able to fit 6 cotton balls in there. Now with this, for the behind the back behind the flint tube right here, I'm going to tear one in half. And I'm going to try to shove it down in there. Now this part's really hard to do. I'm going to use a little pick, try to shove it down there. And you don't want to bend your flint tube either. That's not good. So there we go. Pop down on there. Make sure it's all the way down. Alright. Now you gotta put the flint back in first. Now this flint seems like it's still in pretty decent condition. Hopefully I don't put this all together and figure out that it doesn't work because of the Purell. Might not. Now this flint, it's got a nice soft tip and it's relatively new flint, so I'm going to put it back in there, and it's going to be easy to get into this little hole that's right there because of the way it's shaped right now. Now I got it in there, and it's in there loose because it It's pretty much a brand new flint, so I didn't have to use the needle nose to pull it up. And what I like to do when I'm putting these balls back in is push this off to the right, and take one of the cotton balls, shove it on in there. And take it again. Try to get it sort of straight, but not too straight. Fold it over again. I'll take another cotton ball, which I'm going to rip it in half, just to make it pretty much the size of a rayon ball. Bend it over again. Alright. Another cotton ball, put it in there. Right. I think I'm going to need another cotton ball, but I'm just going to double check. I put the pad in, and yeah, it sinks way too low. So, pull this out. Put another cotton ball in there. Alright. Rip this one in half again. Because I need more behind the flint tube. Just take my pick. Alright. Felt pad back on. And by the way, the only thing it could smell right now is Perel. Alright. Got the felt pad back in there. Oops. Got my flint. Shove the flint in there. Got my spring screw and spacer. Drop that back in there. Oops. Alright. Sparks, that's good. Cool. Make sure your wick's right. Sorry about that, my camera died. Alright, let's fill it with fluid. 1 second. Far, no good. Give it a little bit more fluid. over full now. There we go. And that's how you change the cotton. That's how you change the cotton in the Zippo. Thanks for watching.